friends, today we're making a high protein pasta sauce. To make this pasta, we're gonna use fresh veggies such as eggplants, celery, onions, and carrots. But then we're also gonna be using lentils, cooked lentils, just to have an easy factor so you can have any kind of cooked lentils or cooked chickpeas in your pantry and you can add it to your pasta sauce. And then we're gonna be using lentil pasta, which is the highest protein content pasta we found in the supermarkets around. You can also have chickpeas pasta or green peas pasta. So you have the pasta sauce, which already has 23 grams of protein, and then you can top it off with high protein pasta, which has another 7 to 10 grams of protein, adding up to 30 to 35 grams. So that's a big bowl of protein, which is great after working out. So here everything happens in one pot. We're starting with the onions and garlic. We avoid the use of oil if it's not strictly necessary to avoid adding extra calories. We're gonna also add celery and carrots. Now we're gonna add the diced eggplants, the tomato sauce, and then we're gonna add about 2 cups of water to make sure everything is covered. When the eggplants are already cooked, we're gonna add the lentils. Adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper. And just like that, in 25 minutes you have a whole pot of 4 to 6 servings of a wholesome pasta sauce that can also be used with quinoa and rice, and you can portion it and freeze it and use it whenever you have, just reheating it in 5 minutes.